Has to be described as wet October. November at least has started on a drier note, hasn't it? We start on dry notes because we've got high pressure, and the week should end on a dry note as well as high pressure returns. But yes, you guessed it, in between we'll have a little bit of rain, but it's worth stressing nothing like we had last week. And even though we have high pressure with us at the moment, we've got an awful lot of cloud trapped underneath it. So it's quite grey and overcast out there in places, but you can see that Scotland is sticking out at the moment. They're enjoying some sunshine. We'll take a look at Aberdeen just recently. What a beautiful day. And we've also got some sunshine across Cornwall right now. But even though it is dry, it's predominantly cloudy out there. It's grey enough and even thick enough, that cloud, for the odd spot of drizzle across East Anglia and the Western Isles. But elsewhere, predominantly dry, not particularly warm unless you're in the sunshine. Very pleasant here. But where we have the sunshine, we'll pay for it overnight with a touch of frost in the Great Glen and Grampian region of Scotland, around the Moray Firth as well. Further south, actually, the wind starts to pick up and the cloud will increase. And the cloud that's coming our way tonight, this mass here over France, well, that will bring some rain with it. Not particularly heavy rain, but it will dampen the ground. It'll turn it rather murky, I think, the skies, as they go through the night across the southeast of England, the Midlands and East Anglia. And it's here will dawn on a rather dismal note, dull, damp and misty. Also some eastern parts of Wales. Further north, though, as today, a little bit brighter. There'll be some patchy fog and frost, though, for Scotland to watch out for. But here, once the fog clears, and it will linger for a while at this time of year, but once it clears, we should hold on to some dry and bright weather throughout the day. But notice that rain will gradually migrate northwards towards the borders by the end of the afternoon. I don't think there'll be that much rain for the western fringes of England and Wales. It could actually stay quite bright, and it may brighten up in the Channel Islands later on. If it does so, temperatures will reach about 13 or 14 degrees. Then by Wednesday, that's gone away, that rain. Instead, we're getting rain coming in off the Atlantic for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, which will weaken as it pushes southwards, but notice it's still around in the southeast for Thursday. So putting a bit more detail on that, you can see that the rain is more likely to be across Glasgow, Belfast, potentially Manchester on Wednesday, whereas England and Wales, the rest of England and Wales, have a drier, brighter picture along with eastern Scotland. Then by Thursday, well, the rain stuck in the southeast of England with brighter skies following and some showers into the northwest. But as I hinted earlier, towards the weekend, high pressure comes back in, and hopefully this time it will bring us a little bit more sunshine, but potentially more frost as well, Anna.
Thanks.